Today is an unboxing of the Microsoft Xbox controller plus wireless adapter for Windows. So you get the controller and the wireless adapter for Windows. It's 109 Australian dollars, but I paid I think it was about $89 on special. So there's an overview on the back: hybrid D-pad, refined yet familiar input, share button, capture and share content seamlessly. So wireless gameplay on PC, Xbox wireless adapter for Windows included, texture grip, always stay on target. So we'll get into it. So it looks like it takes two AA batteries there, and works with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. Security tag on the top, and that's just it in a different language on the back there. So we'll cut the security seal. Oh, open it up the right way. So there we go. It comes with two Duracell batteries, which is handy. I'll pop those straight in. So there's the controller itself, there's the wireless adapter, card packaging. We have a USB cable, which is an extender. I'm not sure how that couples in there because that's USB Type-C. This looks like it's for placing the dongle on a desk from your PC under the table or in a better location for better connectivity and reception. So put that to the side. Get a very simple pictorial guide on how to set it up. Pretty straightforward. Put that to the side. Product and regulatory guide. Xbox Game Pass. This is something I'm not expecting. By the time it's uploaded, I would have activated this, so I'm not too worried about it. Redeem code for your first month free. Play 100 high-quality games with friends on PC, console, in select regions, phones and tablets. Includes EA Play and more. See back of card for details. Interesting. I'll check that out later. So I think that is it for the box contents. So this is the controller itself, two joysticks, a D-pad, A, B, X and Y buttons, screen share, and then you have the wireless connector there. So triggers are, how would you say, progressive for throttle, and put the batteries in the bottom here. Do they go both ways? Plus that way, minus the other way. Cool. So that is in and installed. Cool. So that's it turned on there, and I think that's for wireless. I think. Let's check the documentation here. Yep, press and hold that for 3 seconds. Yep, so it's flashing. So that would be ready to connect to the wireless adapter there. So I think that's pretty much the quick overview of the Xbox controller. You have a 3.5mm jack there and what looks to be possibly mini HDMI. I'm not sure on that one. I'll put a update in the comment when I figure out what that is. So that's it for this review.